Hi guys. So I've been watching this channel for a few years actually. It's not a channel, I guess. It's a website. The College of DuPage, NextRad website, and you could put different filters and things on there to see what the weather's going to be. You know what the storms are doing and hurricanes and all those things, right? So I've been watching this. This website for a long time. Shout out to Mike Morales YouTube channel because he drops these links in his videos. So anyway, so I sit around once upon a time and would watch this and look at some curious things, phenomenon. And so it occurred to me today. I was watching a video from FinDap. And so I thought I'd just kind of revisit this. So the Flat Earth investigators, all you Flat Earth investigators out there, help me with this. Help me understand what I'm looking at when I see this. Okay. Each frame on this here, I've got the scroll bar down here for 200, which is the maximum. And each frame is 5 minutes. So that's several hours long, this whole scan. And as the sun comes up in the east and it crosses over, right? The sun is up in the United States. The sun is up and the daytime, and now it's nighttime, right? The nighttime is coming across. And then we're going to do it again. The sunlight is coming up, going across the world, and through the daytime, and then the sun will set as it goes across. See, it's coming across in the dark, right? So here's my question. Well, one question. When the sun comes up, the shadow is from the top right to the bottom left diagonal. And when the sun sets, it's the opposite way. Like it's this way, watch my hand, this way. And now, okay, see it's coming up, right? It's this way. And then it goes across. And then when it comes across, the shadow is this way. See? So what is occurring there? Somebody smarter than me that understands physics and atmosphere and spinning and all those high-tech science words, help me understand why this is occurring in this pattern. Because if we're spinning on a ball, would that even be like that? And then if we're not spinning on a ball, kind of like what the Bible says, that we are fixed and immovable, could it be, I'm just asking a question from a dumb person here, could it be that they're telling us that the North Pole is up here, but the sun is like in the opposite, in the bottom set? Instead of, the top being here, it's like flipped. See what I mean? It's like going this way. Like if you take a flashlight and you put it real close to the floor or to the wall or whatever, and you move it around, it's like it's opposite of what they're telling us here. Again, I don't know. I'm just asking a question. And that's one question. And here again, for all you auditors out there, watch this bottom down here. When the sun comes across, we could see the sun actually reflecting in the water. See the reflecting of the water there? But watch this light underneath here. Like watch it. See how it moved back across? Like there's a reflection of light on the other side that should not be there if what they're telling us is true. And you can watch, it doesn't even like there's still a gap of light at the bottom. See, watch it real close. See, like it, and it goes right. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I hope you do. But none of this makes sense. And if this is the truth, what they're telling us is the truth, then it brings up other questions. I have other questions. So let's, okay, we've looked here on this eastern side with the United States and North America, South America. So let's go over to the West Coast. Because, you know, maybe I've you know, misunderstood. So I'm going to click the West, and I'm going to look at full disc. And we're going to watch this again with just the ocean. And see how the sun goes across, and now it's this way. But watch it on the bottom. Like, see, what is that flash? Like, at the top, it's completely dark. Like, it's completely dark up here. But down at the bottom, there's still a sliver of light on the bottom, and you see a reflection like it's on a rotation on the backside. Now watch it real close. See that flash? Like, what is that? So the sun's up, there's that flash. So the sun's coming up, and it's this way, right? The shadow. And then it's going to come across, and it's going to change direction this way. See? What is going on? I mean, I know we all live in a lie. So, spinning ball NASA freaks tell us what this is, and flat earth people tell me what it is. Because I don't know. It's a curious thing. Watch that. Look at that. Look. See that flash at the bottom? Watch it. And there's the sun going in the reflection of the water. So, I mean, and then there's that light at the bottom. Watch it. Now, sometimes the AI will get a hold of this and flash, you know, it'll edit things out. But that's another story for another day. I just kind of interested in this, why in this, when the sun comes up, the shadow's this way. See? I'm sorry, when the sun comes up, the shadow's this way. And then it goes across. And then when it ends, it's on the other side, the opposite. And then that flash at the bottom. Like, what is that flash of light at the bottom? All right, you guys. Have a blessed day.